Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that, no doubt about it, today was a very nice day. I mean, from where it was on Friday to where it closed today, good solid day. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true strength behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine power, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts. Makes things quite straightforward. And that level is right down here at $3, and we'll call it 58 cents. Why is $3.58 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly strong is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $3.58. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress over time in the upwards direction. So 358, very important level of support. Now, ideally speaking, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 375, that would definitely be the preferable situation. But by no means am I saying that if the price does drop below 375, that everything's ruined or anything like that. So, but keep an eye on those two levels. But in my mind, 358 is definitely the must-hold level. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? For this, going to scrunch up the chart here a little bit, just to bring a little bit more perspective. Key level right now is just kind of simply where the party stopped today, and that's right there at $4.10. But if the bulls can push through $4.10, the next key level up there at $4.23. So 410, 423, next two key levels of resistance. All in all, though, good solid day on the bulls' part. Now it's just a question of, can they build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.